In front of me is Motorola Moto G85, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password added into Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and select a password to edit by tapping on it. Then enter your screen lock, use Edit button, change wherever you want to, and when you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!